Yo, what's going on, my people? Humidity Liquidity here. Welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm looking at the Nasdaq, looking to trade it right here, looking for sell side liquidity right here, taking this sell. I just got stopped at break even over here around this level, and now I'm looking for some shorts. So why am I taking this sell? If we look on the daily, price came into this daily fair value gap. Price took out the previous week high right here, 20th of May. Then we look at US 30. US 30 did not take out that high. So we have that SMT. So then I'm looking for a reversal. We got that reversal in the London session, looking at a classic sell day. We respected this 1 hour fair value gap above here. This 1 hour fair value gap here, I'm expecting that to be a breakaway for today. We have this 5-minute fair value gap that's being respected, and it's just as simple as that. And then over here, from over here, the 1032 high to the 1058 high has an SMT with US 30. So that right there is some confirmation for sells. We inverted this fair value gap over here. We broke structure here, respecting this fair value gap. And yeah, took this sell based off this. We also have this 5-minute order block over here. Now if we look at that 5-minute order block, did we close above the 50%? No, we did not. So completely valid trade. So here I'm just going to aim for this low here. I would aim for this low, the previous PM low, but I don't want to be holding for too long. So my trades today, I took sells from here, took a partial here, got hit a break even around here, and then over here I took a trade over here, and then I took another one around here, and then I took another one over here, 1107, and then I put it to break even, and then price faced back up, and then I entered again around here. So yeah, let's just look at my trade executions. So yeah, over here sell, partial, break even. Then when we got that, came into that 5-minute order block, 1050 macro, sold, and then I was at break even around here, and then it hit it over here, and then gave us this convincing displacement at 1130, and then I took that sell as you saw, and then here would be my stop loss. So yeah, this trade here, my stop loss would ideally be around here, this candle high, and then that. Okay, and then partials, I'm gonna take partials at 2 standard deviations, or actually no, right here. So right here I took partials. Why did I take partials? So we have this sell side liquidity. Okay, that's one. Then we have, what's this? A low resistance liquidity run right there. Simple as that. Okay, now that I've taken partials, let's have a look. If price comes up to my entry, do I want to see that? No, I do not. Now, this is a 15-minute candle, 5 minutes in. 50% of this order block is my entry. Okay, so my entry, assuming this closes and becomes an order block, my entry should be a safe break-even spot. Now what else do we have? We have this breaker block. Where's my entry? Above that. So I'm gonna put it to break even, already took my partials, so this is a good trade right here. Now let's have a look. Premium discount. Good trade. Alright, let's see how this plays out. Now before we get into the rest of the trade, I have a Discord mentorship over here. So if you guys want to join up right here. Join the waiting list. And here you guys go. If you guys want to trade with me and see how I trade and gain more insight, come and join. Alright, let's continue on with the rest.